friends. Let's explore multiples together. It's going to be fun. A multiple is a number you get when you multiply a given number by 1, 2, 3, or any whole number. For example, the multiples of 3 are the numbers we get when we do 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3, and so on. So 6, 9, and 12 are all multiples of 3 because they come from multiplying 3 by whole numbers. Great. Now let's list some multiples to make the idea even clearer. Let's find the first few multiples of 4 by multiplying it with 1, 2, 3, and more. First, do 4 times 1, which gives 4. Next, multiply by 2. 4 times 2 gives 8, another multiple. Now multiply by 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 gives 16. 4 times 5 gives 20. Nice work. Let's do another example to make it even clearer. Let's list the first few multiples of 6 using the same method of multiplying. First, 6 times 1 gives 6. 6 times 2 gives 12. 6 times 3 gives 18. 6 times 4 gives 24. 6 times 5 gives 30. 6 times 6 gives 36. Great. Now let's look at some key facts about multiples. Multiples grow by repeated addition or by multiplying again and again. Every number has infinitely many multiples because you can keep multiplying forever. 0 is a multiple of every number because any number multiplied by 0 gives 0. Alright, now let's try a couple of quick questions to check your understanding. Can you list the first 5 multiples of 7? Take a moment to think. Here are the first 5 multiples of 7. Let's try one more. Now try finding the first 5 multiples of 9. Think about multiplying 9 with 1, 2, 3, and more. Here are the multiples of 9. Great. Let's wrap up with a quick recap. Let's quickly recap what we learned about multiples. Multiples come from multiplying a number by 1, 2, 3, and other whole numbers. Every number has infinitely many multiples. 0 is a multiple of every number. Keep practicing and you'll master multiples easily. Great job today. Thanks for learning with BrightStack. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you can join us for more fun math adventures. See you next time.